Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Fully Informed Trade, or FI Trade for short, knowledge for everyone. Right now I'm just hanging out outside. It's pretty nice out. Just hanging out outside of Starbucks. They're probably going to hear a little bit of background noise, but Spirit Nextel Corporation. This stock has been really pushing it up into the higher levels. This is one of those more speculative names. I prefer companies like Procter and Gamble and those utility companies that are much safer to be buying and holding on to, rather than trying to hold on to stocks like these. Because, once, let's say the market rolls over and it starts to decline, well, these are the stocks that are sold the fastest, the soonest, and, people really, really hate volatility. They want the benefits of volatility, but they hate it when the stock market starts to pull back. So, to me, I don't really know if Sprint is going to reverse, if it's going to turn around its business practices, if they're going to be able to outperform their earnings or something like that. To me, that's something I don't really look for inside of a company. This company has really awful fundamentals. This company has not been able to at least become adequately profitable enough, and we're wondering, when are they going to be able to compete in the 4G LTE area? We don't really know. It's probably going to take a while. But to me personally, none of that kind of stuff really matters. What I really care about is where the stock is going to go in the next couple of weeks. And the resistance right here is pretty strong. To me, it seems like a good idea to avoid buying the stock and eventually anticipate a pretty significant decline, at least in the next couple of weeks, not in the next couple of days. Standard & Poor 500, the indices, they've had a pretty strong, couple sessions. But right now, I'm starting to think the S&P is starting to hit some resistance. I'm thinking that perhaps the downtrend could continue. And since the Federal Reserve hasn't done any form of monetary easing or policy changes, and they basically repeated verbatim for what they've said previously, it's a good idea to assume that the broader markets will perhaps sell on Monday, and you're going to see these highly volatile, highly speculative names like Sprint and Nextel continue to fall. So that does it for me for today. I'll see you guys probably on Monday again, and we'll probably talk more about stocks then. So you guys have a wonderful weekend, and try to relax until the next week, I guess. Take care.